Good morning and welcome to Cape Hatteras KOA. So we're just taking a quick walk up to the store. We just got in last night about
8 o'clock, I guess it was.
It took longer to get here from Raleigh because I guess we're always used to going to like Nags Head, which is just a straight shot on 64 from Raleigh. But this is actually quite a ways down on the Outer Banks little peninsula. We're actually in the Cape Hatteras National Park, or National Seashore, which is a national park. So the whole beach is really part of a national park, which I didn't really realize until this time. But so it's pretty far down here, and we're in this KOA. It's about half full right now, and this is the September the 8th or something.
8th, I think it is.
And big hurricane approaching, coming across Bermuda, coming our way. So we may have to skedaddle out of here early. I don't know.
We'll be okay though.
But right now they're calling for it to be there in on Wednesday, and so I think we'll do okay. Oh man, what a bummer. Well, we're just gonna sit out here and hang out in a nice porch. Lay down, Riley, relax. Lay down, take your shoes off, and we'll just relax a few minutes, okay?
Sitting here getting a little R&R while I go in and check out the store. Checking out the store here to see what they have.
Oh, I'm tired already. Are you? Look at all those steps we had to go up. Ooh, look how thick the walls are. Okay. Here we go. This is the lighthouse that they actually moved to get it away from the ocean. Can you imagine moving this thing? 2,900 feet. Just in time information. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, let's take a break. I feel it wobbling a little bit. I'm just kidding. This thing is built like a lighthouse. It's like 95 degrees in here. I guess they didn't have air conditioning back in 1800. So, one stoppy. They go up. You can see how thick the walls are, even up here, from here all the way out to there. And that's almost at the top. Did I mention I was afraid of heights? I don't think I've ever mentioned that, but it's getting kind of scary. Hopefully there'll be some air when we get up in the top.
It's very tough, it's not swaying there.
Oh.
Is
it swaying back and forth at all?
Not
Let's see what's outside.
No, the window. Take a look at it.
Wow, breathe.
Oh, that's better. That's much better. Ooh. So they moved it from down there, where it was close to the shore. So what do those rocks down there represent?
So those were the original base of the lighthouse. That was actually underneath what we're standing on right now.
Okay, wow.
They cut with a big saw, they cut above those stones, put some hydraulic lifts in that gap, picked it up about 5 feet off the ground, put it on this like gridwork of I-beams, put those in these rollers and these long rails, and pushed it. When they get to the end of the rails, they would take the ones from the back, move around the front, and keep rotating until they got to this spot.
They weren't worried about it toppling over?
Oh, they were very worried about it. Very worried about it. They had someone sitting in the bottom watching it. They would move 5 feet, stop, check everything. 5 feet, stop, check everything.
Wow.
Another magnet to commemorate our trip to the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. Here we go. Yay! All right.
Hey, well, so we came up to Jockeys Ridge State Park, north of Nags Head, right? And here we are at the Kitty Hawk Kites. And one time we did some hang gliding here years ago. But we are at Jockeys Ridge State Park, and they are having a kite fest today. Okay, so Riley, no way, super hot and hard to walk. So and Lori can't carry her, and I'm carrying this other stuff. So she's going to stay back there with the dog, and I've got to come up here and get some pictures. But this is Jockeys Ridge, highest sand dunes on the east coast. And they have hang gliding here and all kinds of stuff going on. But it's a workout on your legs. And it's hot. So I'm going over there. Got to see what's on top. You guys coming with me? Pretty cool little kite festival. But it would be better probably in October when it's not 90 degrees. But beautiful day today. We had rain this morning. Got to cool it off, and it's a really great day. So come with me as I climb the mountains of Madagascar. So we conquered one of the hills at Jockeys Ridge State Park. What a beautiful view up here. Great place to be. Come in the fall when it's cooler, for sure. It's fun to hike around up here.